Many people assume that lowering utility bills requires expensive upgrades, but in reality, small daily habits can make a noticeable difference over time. Electricity and water are often used without much thought throughout the day, causing small amounts of waste that gradually add up month after month. Simple actions like turning things off when they are not needed or using household appliances more efficiently can reduce unnecessary utility costs. These habits may only save a small amount each day, but their combined effect becomes much more noticeable over weeks, months, and even years. Many energy-saving habits also have another benefit. They help reduce unnecessary wear on household appliances and fixtures. Because these habits easily become part of everyday routines, they often continue saving money without requiring extra effort. The goal isn't to stop using electricity or water, but to use both more efficiently while maintaining the same level of comfort at home. In this video, we'll explore 9 practical daily habits that can help lower your utility bills while making your home more efficient every single day. One of the easiest and most effective ways to lower your electricity bill is simply turning off lights whenever you leave a room that is no longer being used, even if you'll only be gone for a short time. While a single light may use only a small amount of electricity, leaving several lights on throughout the home can gradually increase your overall energy consumption every day. Developing this simple habit helps ensure that electricity is only being used where it is actually needed, rather than being wasted in empty spaces. During the daytime, opening curtains or blinds often provides enough natural light for everyday activities, making artificial lighting unnecessary in many parts of the home. Although the savings from each individual action may seem small, repeating this habit consistently throughout the year can help reduce unnecessary electricity costs. Over time, turning off unused lights becomes an automatic part of your daily routine, helping your home become more energy efficient without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Many electronic devices continue using small amounts of electricity even after they've been turned off, a phenomenon commonly known as standby power or phantom energy. Chargers, televisions, gaming consoles, coffee makers, and other household electronics can slowly consume electricity whenever they remain plugged in without being actively used. While the amount of electricity used by a single device is usually small, several devices left plugged in every day can gradually add to your monthly electricity bill. Using a power strip with an easily accessible switch can make this habit much faster, allowing you to disconnect multiple devices with a single action. It's important to remember that some devices, such as refrigerators, internet routers, medical equipment, or appliances with important settings, should generally remain plugged in. By unplugging electronics that aren't being used, you can reduce unnecessary standby power consumption and make your home slightly more energy efficient every single day. One of the simplest ways to reduce electricity use during the day is by making better use of natural daylight instead of immediately turning on indoor lights. Opening curtains and blinds allows sunlight to brighten the room naturally, often providing more than enough light for everyday activities. Natural daylight can make spaces feel brighter and more comfortable while reducing the amount of time lights need to stay switched on. Positioning work, study, or household activities closer to windows can also help maximize available daylight throughout the day. Besides lowering electricity use, exposure to natural daylight can also help create a brighter and more pleasant indoor environment during daytime hours. Making natural daylight your primary source of lighting whenever possible is an easy daily habit that helps reduce electricity consumption without changing your comfort. One simple daily habit that can noticeably lower both your water and energy bills is taking shorter showers whenever possible, especially when using heated water. The longer a shower lasts, the more water is used, and if the water is heated, more energy is also required to maintain that temperature. Reducing your shower by just a few minutes each day can add up to significant water and energy savings over the course of a month. Using only the amount of water you actually need is an efficient habit that helps conserve resources while still maintaining good personal hygiene. These small daily choices may seem minor at first, but repeating them consistently can make a meaningful difference in your monthly utility costs. Over time, shorter and more efficient showers become an easy routine that helps reduce both water consumption and the energy needed to heat that water. Running your washing machine only when you have a full load is one of the simplest ways to reduce both water and electricity use without changing how often you do your laundry. Each wash cycle uses a certain amount of water and energy, so combining more clothes into one efficient load is usually better than running several smaller loads Most modern washing machines are designed to operate most efficiently when they are filled appropriately, while still allowing clothes enough space to move freely. Planning your laundry throughout the week can also help reduce the number of wash cycles, saving both utilities and the overall wear on your appliance. Using fewer wash cycles also means less water is consumed and less electricity is needed, especially when washing with warm or hot water. By waiting until you have a properly sized laundry load, you can make each wash cycle more efficient while helping lower your monthly utility bills over time. Air conditioners are often one of the largest contributors to household electricity use, which is why choosing an efficient temperature can make a noticeable difference over time. Setting the temperature much lower than necessary doesn't cool the room faster, but it can cause the air conditioner to use more electricity while maintaining that lower temperature. Many energy experts recommend choosing a comfortable temperature rather than the coldest possible setting, allowing the air conditioner to operate more efficiently. Keeping doors and windows closed while the air conditioner is running also helps keep cool air inside, reducing unnecessary energy loss. Using curtains to block strong afternoon sunlight can also reduce the amount of heat entering the room, helping the air conditioner work less. Combining these simple habits allows your air conditioner to cool your home more efficiently, helping reduce electricity use while keeping your living space comfortable. A small water leak may not seem like a serious problem at first, but even a slow drip can waste a surprising amount of water when it continues day after day. Common leaks are often found in kitchen faucets, bathroom sinks, shower heads, or toilets, making regular inspections a useful household habit. Many small leaks are caused by worn-out washers, loose fittings, or aging seals, and fixing them early can prevent larger problems from developing. After making the repair, checking that the dripping has completely stopped helps ensure that no water continues to be wasted. Fixing leaks promptly not only helps lower water bills, but can also reduce unnecessary moisture that may affect cabinets, walls, or flooring over time. Making a habit of checking and repairing small leaks early is a simple way to conserve water, protect your home, and reduce utility costs throughout the year. Cooking is a daily activity in many homes, and using your stove or oven more efficiently can help reduce both energy consumption and your monthly utility bills. Using a properly sized pot or pan for each burner allows more heat to reach the cookware instead of being wasted around the sides. Covering pots with a lid helps trap heat inside, allowing food to cook more efficiently while reducing the amount of energy needed. Preparing multiple dishes at the same time can also make better use of the heat already being produced instead of repeatedly reheating cooking appliances. Turning off the burner or oven a few moments before the food is fully finished can sometimes allow the remaining heat to complete the cooking process. These small cooking habits require very little extra effort, but over time they can help lower energy use while making everyday meal preparation more efficient. Keeping household appliances clean isn't just about appearance. Regular maintenance helps many appliances operate more efficiently, which can reduce unnecessary energy consumption over time. Dust and dirt can slowly build up on air conditioner filters, refrigerator coils, and ventilation areas, forcing appliances to work harder than necessary. When appliances can circulate air properly and release heat efficiently, they often use less electricity while maintaining the same level of performance. Following the recommended maintenance schedule for your appliances can also help extend their lifespan and reduce the likelihood of unexpected repairs. Simple maintenance tasks performed regularly are usually much easier than waiting until an appliance begins showing signs of poor performance. By keeping your household appliances clean and well-maintained, you can improve their efficiency, help lower your utility bills, and keep your home running smoothly for years to come. Lowering your utility bills doesn't always require expensive upgrades or major lifestyle changes. In many cases, small daily habits repeated consistently can make a meaningful difference over time. Using electricity and water more efficiently not only helps reduce monthly expenses, but also keeps your home running more responsibly without sacrificing everyday comfort. By turning these simple habits into part of your everyday routine, you can gradually save money, reduce unnecessary waste, and make your home more efficient for years to come.